How to play Wuthering Waves with PS4 controller. Hi there, welcome back to the channel. In this video, you're going to learn how to play Wuthering Waves using a PS4 controller on your PC, step by step, in less than 2 minutes. Let's get started. Step 1. Connect your controller. First, connect your PS4 controller to your PC. You can use a USB cable or connect it via Bluetooth. To pair wirelessly, press and hold the PES and share buttons until the light bar starts flashing. Then, on your PC, open Bluetooth settings and select Wireless Controller. Step 2. Launch Wuthering Waves. Now, open Wuthering Waves. In most cases, the game will automatically detect your PS4 controller. Step 3. Change input settings. If it does not work right away, go to the in-game settings, then Controls, and make sure the input mode is set to controller. Step 4. Understand the button mapping. The game shows Xbox buttons, but don't worry, your PS4 buttons work fine. Just remember these controls. Xbox A is PS4 X, Xbox B is PS4 O, Xbox X is PS4 Square, Xbox Y is PS4 Triangle. Step 5. Use DS for Windows if the controller still does not work. If your controller still does not respond, download DS for Windows from ds4windows.com. Open the app, connect your controller, and will emulate an Xbox controller, fully compatible with the game. And that's it. That was the full tutorial on how to play Wuthering Waves with your PS4 controller on PC. If you found this tutorial helpful, please don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more tips like this. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.